kesadaran masyarakat terhadap lingkungan sekitar merupakan masalah yang masih berkelanjutan hingga saat ini. Dikarenakan kurangnya pengetahuan dan infrastruktur panjang dalam menjaga lingkungan, sehingga kepedulian terhadap lingkungan sendiri sangat minim. Salah satu penyebab minimnya kepedulian masyarakat terhadap lingkungan yang sampai saat ini masih dilakukan yaitu membuang sampah tidak pada tempatnya. Sehingga hal semacam ini banyak pihak yang sangat dirugikan. Masalah seperti ini bukanlah tanggung jawab individual, melainkan tanggung jawab kolektif yang melibatkan banyak pihak tanpa terkecuali bangsa ini. Setiap tindakan manusia didasari oleh etika dan moral, tanpa terkecuali dalam memperlakukan lingkungan. Karena masalah ini akan terus berlanjut jika kesadaran masyarakat akan peduli lingkungan masih minim. Di sini bisa ditemukan beberapa pemahaman terhadap lingkungan sebagai upaya peningkatan sifat peduli terhadap lingkungan.
Keyword etika lingkungan, tanggung jawab, pengetahuan. Introduction. Along with the development of the time, various kind of knowledge have also developed both in terms of technology of health as in the world of technology. Many tools have been created was function into it and facilitate human in the world of health, in the world of office, wherein this just there are very few ineffective jobs. However, there are still many people who have minimal knowledge of an environmental ethics, especially rural and communities. The problem being with the two group issues. Disposal rivers in rural areas are surrounded by garbage as well as beaches are decorated with garbage. Every single house can produce hundreds of garbage per day, and the garbage bin enough to accommodate all of them. So rivers and seas become encamped. This lack of knowledge about the environment and the impact of environmental pollution is a problem for both groups. So there need to be socialization from village agencies such as the education office, health office, cleaning service, and environmental service, social service, and others, so that conditions such as disease not sustainable the future. Discussion number 1. Definition. Environmental pollution is a major change in environmental conditions due to economic and ecological development. Change in these conditions except the threshold of ecosystem tolerant there be increasing the amount of pollutant in the environment. Environmental pollution is defined as a change in abiotic factor due to activities that exceed the tolerance threshold for biotic ecosystem. For example, the use of motorized vehicles or raw material processing equipment which sometimes does not comply with environmental standards. There are two types of materials in pollution: degradable, namely pollutant that can be decomposed, angin, or can be reduced to a level that can be by natural processes. Examples are human or animal waste and plant waste. Non-degradable, namely pollutants that cannot be decomposed by the ability of natural process itself. Examples are mercury, lead, arsenic, and others. Number 2, types of environmental pollution. Water pollution. Water pollution is the occurring of change in water quality, degradation in a water such as seas, rivers, lakes, and groundwater, cause of water pollution. Number 1, disposal of the result of industrial waste into the water. Number 2, the presence of soil particles in the water due to erosion. Number 3, the use of explosives in positions in fishing activities. Oil spills due to tanker leaks of offshore oil well explosion. Air pollution. Air pollution is the entry and mixing of harmful elements into the atmosphere, giving rise to air pollution. Cause of air pollution: the release of carbon monoxide (CO) and carbon dioxide (CO3) into the air, which can come from fumes, combustion, or fire smoke, cigarette smoke, factory chimney smoke. The presence of volcanic smoke from volcanic eruption activity so that it can produce particles into the air. The relax of particulates matter, nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur oxides into the air due to smoke from burning coal in power plants of factories. The presence of fluorocarbon CFC from lack of cooling machines such as refrigerator and car are conditioner. Soil pollution. Land. Soil or land pollution is a decrease in soil quality due to the entry of pollutant into the soil environment in the form of chemical dust, heat, sound, radiation, and microorganisms. The cause of soil pollution are divided into three groups. Namel, domestic waste, namely waste that comes from human activities. Generally, domestic waste is in the form of wet or organic waste that is easily decomposed. Industrial waste, namely solid waste in the form of mud slurry originating from process such as the rate of the processing of sugar factories, pulp, paper, iron, plywood, fruit preservation, and others. Agricultural waste usually comes from pesticides or DDT, dispeni trichloroethane, which is used by farmers to eradicate plant pests. Agricultural waste is also a type of environmental pollution.
I think enough. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and